Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to another episode. Today, ackee and saltfish with some festival, and we're gonna make some hot chocolate, Jamaican style. We're gonna grate cinnamon and boil some hot chocolate, ackee and saltfish festival. So first, I'm gonna rub up my festival. As you can see, my festival mixed already. Sugar, cornmeal, flour, baking powder. So now we're gonna mix up. Add the water. A small pan of festival this morning. So now we're gonna leave the festival, rise up a little bit, clean off my hand. And as you can see, my saltfish is already boiled. So now I'm gonna clean them off. I like the saltfish with the bone, so I have to do a lot of work, you know. I don't like the boneless saltfish. It don't give my ackee no flavor. So I like bone saltfish. So we're gonna clean up some saltfish. Me's a man in the kitchen style. We like pick out the bone, you know. We like the real flavor from the fish. As you can see, pick out the bone them. Nice. Yes, my beautiful people, festival rising up. Now I'm gonna grate some chocolate. Round Jamaican chocolate. So now you see chocolate grater. We have the pot with the coconut milk and the cinnamon. I'm gonna put some nutmeg in the pot to go and boil, make it feel nice, Jamaican style. Coconut milk a boil, put the chocolate in the pot now. Go and make some nice hot chocolate. Check me out to have a sip. So here massive, we're gonna fry 2 green plantain too. Fry them and press them in the kitchen style. Hot chocolate a bubble, saltfish and ackee, we get it going in the kitchen style. We have the cooking oil, put some oil in the pot, and as you can see, my onions, scallion, a little garlic, tomato, hot pepper. And my ackee. Yes, my lovely people. So as you can see, I like scald off my ackee, put it in a little hot water just for a minute or 2. Scald it off a little bit. So I tip a little salt in the pot and I open my ackee and I put it in a little hot water just to scald off a little bit. As I like my ackee boil off Jamaican style. So we are scald off the ackee now. For the cooking oil. Hot over here. First, I'm gonna add my garlic because I like my garlic fry out nice. Give it a nice garlic flavor. Put some tomatoes so it can have a nice red tomato color. And then I put in my pepper and my onion, saute a little bit. As soon as I saute now, I'm gonna add my catfish. So I make my onion and stuff. Fry up a little bit. Add a few more onions. Yeah, so me like my ackee and saltfish. Real authentic style. Not too much bell pepper, red pepper. Take with the flavor of the ackee. So we just do it authentic. Little tomato, onion, scallion, little pepper. Good to go in the kitchen style. So you see how my onion and my stuff look? That's why I put my tomato in the oil before the onion. So we could get a nice red, nice color from the tomato. Now, my saltfish already washed, pick up. I'm gonna put a little in the pot and then I'm gonna add my ackee. Take out a few small bones. So as you can see, saltfish is in the pot. Subscribe. Tell me if it look lovely, my beautiful fans. Now I'm gonna get my strainer. I'm gonna strain the water off my ackee now. Simple, nice ackee and saltfish festival. Soon we're ready to go with it. And we have some plantain. I'm going to soak some green plantain. Different style, not white plantain. Different style this morning, green plantain. But now I'm gonna add my ackee to my pot. Now to top it off, I'm gonna add a little black pepper. In the kitchen style, ackee and saltfish. Okay, my beautiful people, festival time. Ackee ready. Look on the ackee, nice and pretty. So I'm gonna fry some festival now. Hot chocolate, nice and ready. Soon, I will roll out some festival now. This is how in the kitchen do it. Get a little festival dough, mix it in the flour a little bit in the kitchen style. We're gonna make some festival now. Everybody make festival different, you know. This is in the kitchen way. So if you like in the kitchen festival, subscribe, like, share, comments. In the kitchen I make some festival, you know. Then we're gonna fry some with some green plantain, the kitchen style. Festival takes a little time, but this is the in the kitchen festival. Most of my fans, my people, they love my festival, my fried chicken in the kitchen style, nice and clean. Okay, my beautiful people, now I roll out the festival. So now you can see the festival frying in the kitchen festival. Nice and golden. Add a few more festival. Now my lovely people, see, festival ready now. Now we are going to get into some green planting. Soaking in some salt water and we are going to make some planting. Now we oil hot and nice. We are going to drop 2 planting in it. Green plant now we are frying now. See, I have a nice clean plastic bag. That's how I'm gonna press with my salsa. Watch and see in the kitchen style. Plantain fry for a bit. Plantain come into a nice golden color. So we're gonna remove the plantain. I'm gonna take my bag, put my clean salsa in my clean bag. Nice flat surface, plantain fry. Now I'm gonna press. Take some more plantain, give it another damp in the salt water, not too much, take it out again. Now I press, I give it the next fry. Now they're all pressed. Nice press on my board. Now my plantain is fried. Put it in my pan. Drain off the oil a little bit. Green plantain fried nice in the kitchen style. Yes, my beautiful people. As you can see, everything nice and prepared. Ready for go eat now. Drink some hot chocolate. Some festival. Some fried plantain and some ackee and saltfish, the good old ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish. Like, share, subscribe in the kitchen.